Not you done black my damn eye.
Oh, okay. Well, I ain't hit
Arguing about
nobody now.
simple as I let your car run out of gas and I had to leave it right there. Or I supposed to have spent this amount of money, but I spent too much.
Okay.
Or I done went in front of your friends a little too provocative and you little just little
shit
bit
like
and we
that.
can verbally say all motherfucking day. We can argue like white people all day.
Right, but
when
once
you want to
put your
hit me
hand
like a
on it,
nigga,
yeah, that's true.
fuck
That's
you,
true.
nigga. Kill
Yeah.
yourself. Nah,
Yeah.
all the love I thought I felt is gone.
Oh, it's over with.
It's
Right.
over.
This might be
And
this
that's
nigga
why I
calling
can't
right
respect
now.
domestic women.
I don't know nothing about
I
that.
can't
Ain't
respect
nobody
them.
gonna beat me.
Yeah. Let me see what's going
I
on.
don't, you ain't gonna catch me black.
Got these kids and got these kids watching y'all get y'all
Loud, loud,
ass
loud.
whooped. Kill y'allself.
What's happening? What? Oh, he's singing a prayer. That's a hymn.
Right. That's the 813, so somebody acting silly.
Oh, he sound like my friend Jay.
He said,
I once was lost.
Yes, I encourage everybody, please go out there and vote, even though your vote ain't gonna count. Like sister say, please go out there and vote. Our people need you too. How you doing, caller? What's going on today?
We gotta make a skit out of that.
Sing it, brother. My name.
Y'all ain't got no sense.
And back.
Yes. Yes, fam used that shoe. That Jabari went to fam too on the step team. Yes, I said yes. They all did the dance. Yes. They can't though, cause I keep going. See, well, they only can blackball you when you need they fuck ass, but I don't need them. I make them create my own lane, and they ain't gonna stop.
And could you verify you write your own stuff?
Yeah.
She write her own stuff.
All of.
She write her own stuff. Now that's why you say you a fan, you need to tighten up on your fanship. And cause my sister got other albums and I really want you to check them out. And I'm glad you called in because we're actually playing a lot of music that's been deprived from her fans. So I'm glad you can call in and talk to her live and show them love.
I'm getting ready to put my 8th album out, Queen to Come, on
July
July 7th. So I'm excited. Thank
know
you
the
so
world be a little
much
late
for
with
watching
getting
and
it.
keeping up with me, cause I'm gonna keep it going.
Yeah, hey.
Yep.
That wasn't the first one. Oh, honey, we need to have a
Nasty
cocktail
music,
lunch day
he said
and
your
just
favorite
catch
was
up.
Nasty. Well, no,
Are you
you got
in
gangsters.
Atlanta? Cause soon as I get my keys, I'm having some waiting to head sales nights, honey. And we're gonna just sit and get fucked up and listen to Queen music all night.
I'm getting ready to drop
Call me
my
at
8.
404-202-7238. What's the number up here to the show?
44296-4216.
4216.
He say his favorite is Nasty Music. What's your favorite song? Period.
Period.
I know, right?
I know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Lick Me Dry. Or a K Wayne. Did you like the K
I like that one
Wayne
you made with
2.0?
Cherry.
I like me. Did you, what about the K Wayne 2.0? Okay, Cause that's a slide one too. They do the slide.
What
on
about
that
it's whatever, ho? Baby, I play that on the way to church. What? I need some get up motivation music.
I love Geeked Up. Shout out to J Love. I just talked about J Love when we produced that track. I had so much fun producing Geeked Up. Huh? Yep.
She bebop when they produce.
Got beats on I stream on Beats and Amazon and SoundCloud, iTunes. I try to do all of the digital outlets. But a lot of people still think it's just my neck and my back. Like they don't know I got 8 albums. So it's time for them to get this music.
Well, like you said in a blog before, the streets already know what it is, and that's another thing that I appreciate too, because even though that people have made it an effort to try to block you from getting national and international attention, you still find a way to get shows and books.
Yes, and you know what? My international fan base.
To do as an independent artist, to see, like you said in the other blog, you ain't gonna be 45 years old still working at the leasing office.
Okay.
No. I need to know who y'all was talking. Who was Nico talking about?
Ooh, child, these women don't work.
Who was he talking about?
Child, that's what they say. They said that Jackie O was working at the hospital and at the leasing office. He hollered, Lord Jesus. But you know what? I'm going to do
They need to stop acting like these people not human and they don't have families to feed. And they need to stop acting like it's all glimmer and gold because it's fucking not. Exactly. These people eat, sleep, shit just like the fuck we do. And who gives a fuck about what the fuck they're doing and how they doing? I don't like Jackie Ho's forehead.
You don't like Jackie?
It ain't nothing been about her music. I didn't like her forehead. I didn't like her eyes. They too close to motherfucking together, and she's not appealing to my eyes. So that's what kept me from her music. But other than that, fuck that hoe. I don't know her like that.
Well, she just had to go get her job when she was working at the leasing office.
I said I don't like her eyes.
We need her to rent us in the loft.
Is she here in the lounge?
Okay.
Right. Is she here in the lounge? She in Miami? Because don't nobody want to go down in that crack smoking shit. They be smoking crack all in the club.
Well,
they say shit down there. No. I said Miami. Everybody in Florida.
Okay.
Some Florida people connected to some Georgia people, but that's really all where their parents are from.
And how you gonna go off on the 305? I love the 305.
They smoke crack in the club. Them niggas lacing their
blunt.
They
be smoking bull.
They be geeking. Look. Back in the days, we called it geeking.
That's what it's called.
And they turning that shit on to them niggas like that. Sometimes it's the land.
Well, when I say everybody get
one thing about Georgia,
I don't want to talk about smoking no crack.
Everybody get One thing about Georgia, we're family orientated. They're gonna speak. They're gonna pull over when a motherfucking funeral car is coming by. Florida has really got some good land with some people that really want to fight about their people. Fuck them crackers and what they want to try to mentally fuck us with. You don't control us.
What did you say that? Wait a minute, Lord have mercy, Jesus. Jackie O ain't doing music no more, y'all.
She ain't?
I'm asking you.
Oh no.
She should.
Well, last I know, Miko said she was working at the leasing office. So we gonna see now. Is Trina pregnant? Have you heard that Katrina Soundpuss is pregnant? Thank you. And that's what we all thought. P.WEEZY said he seen her and she looked like she was 5 months pregnant. So I said we got to ask the streets who is the baby daddy and is she pregnant? Because last we know she couldn't have children. Now that came out of her
Maybe
mouth.
she got
artificial insemination. Yeah. Either that or the other night she just got sloppy.
No, she just done got big and sloppy.
Somebody probably done hit them over. Knock that bitch over.
I guess. So we ain't heard. We'll see in 9 months if we see a baby.
Yeah, I got the video.
No, the caller, did you hear anything about Janet and what her and that, not John Travolta, but what's that white dude name?
She married to a Muslim.
No, who was that beefing with her talking about, bitch, we don't want to see you up there lip syncing?
What's the gay man name who played the piano?
Oh,
Elton John, baby.
What was the T on that? Elton John said that Janet looked like a drag queen up there, and if he wanted to see somebody lip sync, he would have went to a drag show.
Who the fuck is you dick in the booty ass cracker to think you could just talk about one of our queens like that, bitch? You sit your fat ass behind a motherfucking piano with different glasses on. Ain't nobody seen you two-step. Cracker, you ain't never had no rhythm. Now, Janet ain't never been no friend of mine because she tried to tell me teen. But the bottom line is, bitch, it's beautiful to be black these days. And we're standing together. And I'm finna pop it out back to the black power. Fuck you.
On Janet's side?
Hell no. Fuck Janet.
Whose side you gonna be on?
Ain't no side.
Wait a minute.
I'm down with the right.
Elton John
I'm down with the right and the wrong. Ain't no side.
Said that Janet don't write her music and she don't sing. She be lip singing and all she do is learn a few dance routines and she want to act like she the queen of pop and he's not having it.
Wow.
Now I have to respect that on him because Elton John done put out a lot of music.
Whoever said she was the queen of a damn pop?
She say her brother is the king and she's the queen of pop.
Y'all incested? Because that ain't how that go.
But Elton John had to bring that bitch back to rap.
Do you think she said that because she's lived longer than them? She's living her time? She's standing the test of time?
I don't know. Did she convert to
Is that what qualifies you to be a queen? When you be in the game for a long time and the people still love you throughout the changing? Does that qualify you to be a queen?
She had lost her throat, her voice, she had throat cancer, and that she had...
She hums every motherfucking thing, so what did she lose?
They said that she had to cancel the tour because...
This Angela Moore, baby. This Angela Moore. Okay, sister, how you doing?
She couldn't sing at the tour. So is that why they canceled it or no? Look at that long breath.
We putting you in the middle, baby.
He like... That's how T.S. Madison to be when I say something about Janet. She be like, Queen, now I ain't got
My husband put in time out so that she could... I don't know.
He said, I've been putting time out. Where are you calling from? Are you in Tampa?
Yeah, I'm in Tampa.
Oh, we got to meet up, honey, because you know I love my TME. You know we'll get towed out and sit out there at the beach and gag, honey. We got to meet up.
And I must say I got love for Tampa, but I love who love me.
Now that's what
I'm going to put love in the universe and receive it back. And I have to apologize because I have to rep my city. And I love y'all and forgive me, but I will spaz out on your ass.
You know Tampa spaz out.
Guy, I need some numbers.
Oh, you need my number.
Oh, you need some numbers to do some tap? Oh.
I said my way is working no more. I need some numbers.
I know that's right. You need some numbers.
Yeah, right? My way is working.
Don't call up here with that. Don't call up here on my motherfucking job, nigga, till you call me out loud.
Hey, we got some names and numbers.
I'm gonna get me a phone today, so you can call me on that line and we gonna talk some business. But I got some family down there that look on my
we can't go to Oregon or Falkenberg. We gonna call you on the back line.